Hello everyone, and welcome back to the AI Tech Tooling channel. Today, we'll be diving deep into the world of DataBricks, a powerful unified analytics platform designed for big data processing and machine learning. In this video, we'll explore the top AI tools you can use to learn DataBricks and enhance your skills in this rapidly growing field. So, without further ado, let's dive into the world of DataBricks and discover the best AI tools to help you master it. Before we discuss the top AI tools, let's briefly talk about what DataBricks is and why it's essential. DataBricks is a cloud-based platform founded by the original creators of Apache Spark, which provides an interactive workspace for data professionals to collaborate, share insights, and build machine learning models. With its robust features and seamless integration with popular big data tools, DataBricks has become a go-to solution for organizations looking to harness the power of big data and AI. Now let's take a look at the top AI tools that can help you learn DataBricks effectively. DataBricks Academy, IBM Watson Studio, Google AI Platform, Azure Machine Learning, H2OA. Section 1. DataBricks Academy. First on our list is DataBricks Academy, the official learning platform provided by DataBricks. This comprehensive resource offers a wide range of learning materials, including online courses, webinars, and hands-on labs, designed to help you become proficient in using DataBricks for big data processing and machine learning. DataBricks Academy offers courses for various skill levels, from beginners to advanced users. Some popular courses include Introduction to DataBricks, DataBricks for Data Engineers, and DataBricks for Data Scientists. These courses cover essential topics such as DataBricks fundamentals, data processing with Apache Spark, and building machine learning models using MLlib. To get started with DataBricks Academy, you can sign up for a free account and explore the available courses and resources. As you progress through the courses, you'll gain practical experience by working on hands-on labs and real-world projects, which is crucial for mastering DataBricks and building a strong foundation in big data and AI. Section 2. IBM Watson Studio. Next on our list is IBM Watson Studio, a powerful cloud-based platform for data science and machine learning. Watson Studio offers a range of tools and resources for working with DataBricks, including Jupyter Notebooks, Apache Spark clusters, and integration with popular big data tools like Hadoop and Hive. IBM Watson Studio provides a range of learning resources to help you master DataBricks, including sample notebooks, guided tutorials, and comprehensive documentation. The platform also offers a collaborative environment, allowing you to work with other data professionals and share insights and best practices. To get started with IBM Watson Studio, you can sign up for a free trial and explore the platform's features and resources. IBM also offers a range of paid plans, providing additional features and resources for more advanced DataBricks learners. Section 3. Google AI Platform. Coming in at number 3 is Google AI Platform, a fully managed cloud service that allows you to build, deploy, and manage machine learning models. The AI platform offers seamless integration with DataBricks, making it easy to develop and deploy machine learning models using the DataBricks platform. Google AI Platform offers a range of resources for learning DataBricks, including sample code, tutorials, and documentation. The platform also integrates with other Google Cloud services, such as BigQuery and cloud storage, allowing you to build end-to-end data processing pipelines using DataBricks. To get started with Google AI Platform, you can sign up for a free trial and explore the platform's features and resources. Google also offers a range of paid plans, providing additional features and resources for more advanced DataBricks learners. Section 4. Azure Machine Learning. At number 4, we have Azure Machine Learning, a fully managed cloud service provided by Microsoft Azure. Azure Machine Learning offers seamless integration with DataBricks, allowing you to develop, test, and deploy machine learning models using the DataBricks platform. Azure Machine Learning provides a range of resources to help you learn DataBricks, including sample notebooks, guided tutorials, and comprehensive documentation. The platform also offers a collaborative environment, allowing you to work with other data professionals and share insights and best practices. To get started with Azure Machine Learning, You can sign up for a free trial and explore the platform's features and resources. Microsoft also offers a range of paid plans, providing additional features and resources for more advanced DataBricks learners. Section 5. H2O AI. Last but not least, we have H2O AI, an open-source machine learning platform that offers a powerful suite of tools for data processing and model building. H2O AI Sparkling Water is a popular tool that integrates H2O AI with DataBricks, allowing you to build machine learning models using DataBricks and H2O AI's advanced algorithms. H2O AI provides a range of resources for learning DataBricks, including sample code, tutorials, and comprehensive documentation. The platform also offers a collaborative environment, allowing you to work with other data professionals and share insights and best practices. To get started with H2O AI, you can download the open-source software and explore the available resources and tools. H2O AI also offers a range of paid plans, providing additional features and resources for more advanced DataBricks learners. So, there you have it, the top AI tools to help you learn DataBricks and enhance your skills in big data processing and machine learning. By using these tools and resources, you'll be well on your way to mastering DataBricks and unlocking the full potential of big data and AI in your projects and career. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the AI Tech Tooling channel for more informative videos on the latest AI technologies and tools. If you have any questions or suggestions, please feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy learning!